It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at a tin of 2020-2021 Upper Deck Series 2. Of course, we will be looking for Young Guns. The tins are always nice. They're really good if you're shipping an expensive card. You can throw it in a tin with some packing materials and pretty solid. But they're also nice collectibles in themselves, and they can operate as storage for you. There's our odds. Of course, the main thing we're looking for with any core Upper Deck product is Young Guns. We're going to get 10 packs in here, and our odds are 1 in 4 for Young Guns. So we should get 2, and if we're lucky, we'll get 3. Pretty decent selection to look for in one of these tins of this year. Kaprizov, Alex Romanov, Sorokin's in here, Tim Stützle's in here, Dylan Cousins is in here. So having read off that list of names, hopefully we will get one of those. A Kaprizov would be really nice. John Tavares, of course, on the box. And, of course, it's not going to cooperate. And there we go. We've got our exclusive 3-pack of O-Pee-Chee Glossy, which we'll be opening as well. We're just going to make the biggest mess we possibly can. Throw Johnny T back there in the back. Throw that in the trash. Organize our packs. You know what? Let's start off with the O-Pee-Chee Glossies. Let's see what we can pull out of here. We've got a Phil Kurashev, a Connor Ingram, and a Phil Kurashev. Did we pull 2 of the same parallel? These are the... I believe we did. What are the odds of that? Amazing. Phil Kurashev. If you collect Phil Kurashev, that was the pack for you. Let's get right into it. So we're hoping to pull one of the big name Young Guns out of here. But we're going to have fun no matter what we pull. Tucker Pullman. Jordy Ben. Shea Theodore. Got Cale Makar. And we've got Alec Regula as our Young Gun. As I'm feeling the back of these, it feels... Yeah, there's a little bit of damage on the back of that Cale Makar. But is it on Alec Regula? Nah, he looks good. So there's Alec Regula. That'll be our first Young Gun. Andrew Mangiapane. We've got Dumo. And Ilya Mikheyev. Patrick Marleau, Anders Bjork, Patty Kane and Leon Draisaitl checklist, Ethan Bear, Vlad Tarasenko, Sam Reinhart, and Josh Bailey. So a base pack for us there. Matt Roy, Sidney Adult, Mikko Rantanen, and we've got an O-Pee-Chee update of Philip Broberg, Jake Gardner, Mackenzie Weegar, Ryan Getzlaf, and Richard Panik. Marcus Foligno, Jake DeBrusk, Calvin DeHaan, Ben Sherratt, and we've got a rookie portrait of Broberg, who we just pulled his O-Pee-Chee of. Max Pacioretty, Cam Atkinson, and Ryan Hartman. Milan Lucic, Evgeni Kuznetsov, Ryan Reeves, and we've got Jules Sen for the New Jersey Devils. Dennis Goranov, Corey Perry, Victor Arvidsson, and Jordan Stahl. So we've pulled 2 young guns, and we still have 4 packs left. So hopefully, one in these 4 packs will also contain another young guns. The 3rd one. Nikita Kucherov, Thomas Chabot, Antoine Roussel, Sean Monahan, checklist of Matthew Zampedi, Mike Smith, Freddie Anderson, and Drake Batherson. So I don't believe you can pull French variants in the tins. I think that's a hobby exclusive, so we don't have to watch out too close for those. Austin Matthews, we've got Robin Lehner, Jake Muzzin, and a canvas of Teuvo Teravainen. Dustin Brown, Adam Boquist, Sigmas Jurgensen's, Roman Josi. Look at the weird job they did on this pack. That's what it's supposed to look like. Well, that one's even off a little bit. Oh, and this is actually, because of that, a little bit open on the top. That is weird for sure. Could somebody have tampered with this tin? It's very unlikely. Marc-Andre Fleury, Johnny Hockey. We've got a blue O-Pee-Chee Award winners of Matt Dumba for the King Clancy Trophy. An orange Victor Hedman Dazzler. Scott Lawton, Jamie Benn, and Tyler Johnson. Final pack. We pull a young gun in here. Kyle Connor, Jacob Vrana, Adam Gaudette. Looks like we're going to get a portrait. Connor Hellebuck. We've got a rookie portrait of Thomas Harley. Derek Ryan, Michael Kempney, and Sean Captain Walker. And there you have it. 2020-2021 Upper Series 2 tin. Let me know what you think of the break in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.